Kalong ka jingkar khu ka bakrawi ki hebret ki rang bar ki the lekai cricket ka jalla. Harin ba Meghalaya Cricket Association haka arpau tarik jama arja posau krapli pajba igumano rim bante ka indoor cricket facility menengkong haka jalla haka madar kur kalang lumdai club rembong banang kentiu ka jing lekai cricket haka jalla. Bat balong ru kum ka wen ka shlam ban aji hikai ki samla ka jalla ban pentebit haka kamil kai cricket. Chupan pau banyak ketika indoor cricket facility la baitengka daga Board of Control for Cricket in India neka BCCI haka banakle uroja Vini Presiden berujesha secretary haka sengi ublay kilawan bajingo ketika madan haka baka kam ka sedang menia syait bad anglut ban pendap ho benai nai lur mentau senam haka jiangla merplipat ba ketika sengi ketika projek hamaran kur kalang ladan lang ru kini alam ke MCA nadu unaba batasharji Presiden Gideon Kharkongor honorary secretary barayonal Kharkamni vice president bati rempe rang basnong lumdai kla ba AL advisor kador basnong lumdai kla konsil bi pasa kabadai kalong kami berangsi opriang ya kusnam pat masyri kisamla elekai belawan bang nikmat na cricket association beper ke jella pat kiwi kiru rang ba malamai pangdo ba Gideon Kharkongor secretary ga MCA ulai thu ba kate ke indoor cricket facility kanon kumba sautli ki jaga kilan ka swimming pool ke gym bat kiwi bekinai elekai kila ban penon kam hakapor kilan met
press long press
of the London Clark Gorbatnov. He told to the MCA that they don't want the MCA, they should not import the players from outside the state of Meghalaya. They should produce all the players from the state of Meghalaya. That's a beautiful spirit which is already registered in our minds, in our hearts. The same thing to our Roger Bini, the president of BCCI. The same what they had mentioned, that we should not be import the player from outside the state. We have to produce our own players. To produce our own player, I request to all the students who are here, everybody who are here, those are the cricket lovers. Today the sport is no longer like before, when our time we are playing cricket just to pass time or just to enjoy the entertainment game. But today all the sports, particularly the football and the cricket, has become a big profession. I really also, I'm telling you, if you're really taking this cricket or football or anything seriously, you will be completely a paradigm shift. You will bring the change in the state of Meghalaya. You will bring the change in your family. You will bring the change to your individual. It has to be completely turned around. So therefore, I appeal to all the cricketers, the cricket lovers. I want you, all of you, to build a brand. Not a simple to build a brand. You have to give your efforts. You have to slug to build a brand. Creating a brand is very important. You are creating a brand to yourself. You are creating the brand from where you belong, your parents. You are creating the brand from the state from where you belong, from the district from where you belong. I want all of you to create a brand. One day we want to see you. Not you are playing only in this local ground. I want to see you as standing and playing for the state, for the national level, and also to participate in the international level.
Indeed, a very historic occasion for the Meghalaya Cricket Association to actually have this program, which is the laying of the foundation stone of this indoor cricket facility at Lomdaitla, Kurkalang, Rebhoi district, Meghalaya. Yes, indeed, yesterday we had the president of the BCCI and also the honorary secretary of the BCCI, Shri Jay Shah, who had inaugurated this through an online mode. And I would like to tell you here that he was gracious enough to do this program on behalf of Meghalaya and the other states of the Northeast. He was supposed to be here in this program, but because of other preoccupation and urgent schedule, he cannot be present. But yesterday, he visited this site and he gave his greetings to all the members of the Meghalaya Cricket Association and all its affiliates. Also like to thank our members of the media who have been very, very kind to always be supportive of the initiative. Coming to this indoor facility which is being provided by the BCCI, let me just go few steps in 2018 when as a new body we were desperately looking for grounds in the state, because as you all know that cricket is mainly played at two main grounds, that is at the Polo Ground and at Alot Grey in Tura. So we realized that if we have to improve our cricket, the first thing that comes to our minds, that is a cricket ground, whether it is a big ground or a small ground. So we went around looking for grounds everywhere in every district, and we're very fortunate that today we have many districts who have their own grounds, and there are other districts that have also tie up either with the school or college authority or with the Dorbar Shnong or the Nokma to have a lease agreement or an NOC for the use of cricket. And we're glad that today also we have the ground at Mountain and at Nongkra also belonging to the Meghalaya Cricket Association. That time under the leadership of course of Barnaba, we were looking at ground somewhere here closer to the city. But we could not find, because even though we're very fortunate to have the government also in support to be ready to give us land at the new Shillong Township, but that was not feasible enough with the plans of the BCCI for the indoor.
Haki sngi ki bamanta kala long kum kalat kamai kaji yapi ki kun hep namar ban su ap tang kitam sarkar nimyo shu ndrei toshim khai kane bat pin long ki sports person nak banta jong ka cricket bat ka football bat giwe ki sport activities nangka haki jingya lenti ka jongi lengba kane ka ground kumba kalong haduk menta lengba ke jingye kenduk ke jonga nangkong bat I honorary secretary jongka MCA habai la persang banwat I jaka keleng-keleng mio tengah na kaliang ke jonga ngasmokia na benta ki kunhep jong ka state ke jongi hi berok wei ki badon ke jingsang banele cricket ngong bang ngan ai kene ke jaka lengba ki jingye tek kendon ki ba ngin se penbet lang dekata kala urlong bat ni iru pi ba hane ba kini ki infrastructure ki lasdang ya chakmat ikermen ba pi pindio menelek kai kene ke jaka ha kene ke jaka Akipur ba kisnem ki banang dongwan. Tinakaliang kajongang amdon sibun ki kentin ay kuplay kit bok kenbang pilang baro.
And MCA is here to provide you the infrastructure. We are committed, but discipline and your rigorous training and starting young. We have been telling to all our family members from the different districts, and everyone has started. There is a wave, and I can see it coming, that in the next 5 years, if not in the boys section, in the women's section, we will have 1 or 2 players representing the country, at least in the age group. This is the commitment of MCA. Now we want the commitment of the players and the parents. We need one spark. We are no less than anyone else in the country. Our talent, we need the proper infrastructure. And recently I saw Minister Sports has said building a stadium here. We will soon send a proposal to him that if the government comes forward, it is all the more better that we have a stadium here. BCCI is all there if the government helps. And like Bagidian said, a few months back, I had written to the Chief Secretary, and that land in Maukhanu has been allotted. A big infrastructure is coming up. And that day we went for inspection. Of course, that was official. The road construction also has started. So you see, cricket is growing in every aspect. Even in the Garo Hills, we are looking for a place. I was just talking to the officials of Garo Hill. A land has been identified in William Nagar. Mendipathar is the most potential. And Alod Grey, of course, that stadium has been again restored and it has come up in a big way.